Good day, everyone. My name is Charlene S. Rocas, and today I will be presenting the Bloom's Taxonomy. So, this is a model that helps teachers classify learning objectives. It provides a structured way to guide students from basic knowledge to higher order thinking skills. The Bloom's taxonomy framework consists of six cognitive levels: creating, evaluating, analyzing, applying, understanding, and remembering, plus active remembering. Each level builds on the previous, helping students progress in their learning. The first cognitive level is creating. So, creating is the highest level in Bloom's taxonomy. Students combine knowledge and skills to design original ideas, create projects, or produce solutions to problems. The next cognitive level is evaluating. So, at the evaluating level, students assess ideas or solutions. They make judgments, provide critiques, and justify their reasoning based on clear standards. The third cognitive level is analyzing. So, analyzing involves breaking information into parts to identify relationships. Students examine patterns, organize data, and compare different ideas critically. So, the next cognitive level is applying. In applying, students use knowledge and concepts in practical situations. They demonstrate understanding by solving problems or completing tasks. The second to the last cognitive level is understanding. So, understanding means students grasp the meaning of ideas and can explain them in their own words. They interpret concepts and connect new knowledge to what they already know. And the last cognitive level is remembering. So, remembering is the foundation level. Students recall facts, terms, or basic concepts, which forms the base for learning at higher levels. So, the importance of Bloom's taxonomy is that it helps teachers structure lessons so the students can progress from foundational knowledge to higher order thinking, ensuring meaningful and effective learning. So, that would be all for the Bloom's taxonomy. Thank you so much.